Okay, the name's Michael Catterson. Introducing myself. Already know my mom, but she did you see my dog? That's what I'm trying to ask. Donna, come here. Come here. Oh. Okay, so you wanna know how to bird call? Well, first curve your hands. Then you cup them. Cup them like this. And you see these two thumbs? Put it like this. Now, you just slightly push your mouth over like this. And then, you see as my hand moves? Okay. And how to make a water drip noise. Learned it from another YouTuber. I forgot that guy's name. Well, I can't do it for some reason. Don't know why. Well, see you later.